Okay guys, this is kind of cool. We got wind gusts going anywhere from almost completely zero up to about 15 miles an hour wind. It's knocked over half of my targets, and so we got a definite wind situation that's kind of fucking with us. But check this out. First couple shots with my XCR, bang bang bang, then I adjusted, bang bang bang. So I've got that group right there, did pretty dang good. I'm going to take that here in a high wind situation, about 200 yards, just inside 200 yards. I'm going to take that because that wind is really fucking with us. Okay, now that's the XCR Compact Tactical 20-inch barrel. Okay, now up here, my point aim was number 8. Right here I've got a good group here with the HS Precision Rapid Response Gun. Same size group, almost exactly. So these guns are complete 6s here. Now we've got a scattering of ranging shots. Ben's getting happy here with this 22-250, sighting in his NEF with a millet and doing some good work over here. But these are some ranging shots, and then once we got it kind of dialed in, I knew where I was going. Here with the HS Precision, here with the XCR. That's a good group for high winds. That's a good group for high wind. I'm going to take that. That's outstanding. But between these two guns, it's total 6s. I couldn't go. Look at that. Yeah, rocking this. It almost took the target stick completely over. And I just waited with a fucking boulder. So, what's going on here? Between the two rifles, the XCR, your typical Remington, nice barrel, nice trigger. It's got that PFI scope. The HS Precision's got that VX3 loop-hold on it. The trigger's better. The scope, I'm going to say, is better. It's clear. It's got more magnification. Finer reticle, so I'm able to hold it more precisely. And with that pistol grip scope, I'm able to stay on target and break that shot a little bit cleaner, it feels like. So between the XCR and this HS, I take the HS because it's easier to shoot well with. Now, hopefully PFI is going to step up their game into a higher power scope, and maybe that situation's going to change. A little finer reticle would be nice, but between the two, I think HS Precision wins. That's just me. This wind is really picking up, making longer range shooting just impossible, so I think we're going to bag it. Out here, but we've got this weather. It's picked up, it's coming in. So I think, what do you think, Ben? Let's pick up the targets and go kill some shit.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright. Live from the Utah desert.